Today, we're installing a sliding glass pet door for my puppy. Let's get it. Don't forget to read the instructions. She loves it. Now that we have the door in place, we can drill pilot holes in the adjustable slider to secure it in place. Now we have to find the center of the pet door to install a supporting bracket. Say hi to Molly. Now we mark where the bottom brackets are going to be. Now the same thing up top where you mark the center spot. It came with tiny screws, so I'm just gonna screw them in by hand. Now to screw in the bottom ones. Make sure not to over tighten them. Same thing up top now. So the door actually came with its own lock. I don't like where it's supposed to be installed. It's supposed to be installed right back over here. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna put a wooden block over here, try to find a way to finish this off, and then install this right next to it so I'm able to then lock it and unlock it, instead of mounting it directly onto this and drilling a hole in here. Now we get some treats and we get Molly to come outside. Good girl. Now with repetition and patience, and she'll be able to use the door by herself in no time. All set.